So now we've seen single replacement reaction. I'm sorry. Now we've seen synthesis reactions. Let's look at the opposite. If it's not a composition reaction where things are forming one product, well, let's make it a decomposition reaction where things are breaking down. So in all decomposition reactions, it's the exact opposite of a composition reaction. One reactant one reactant is going to break down into multiple products. Now, sometimes it's 2, sometimes it's 3, sometimes it's 4. It all depends on how complicated the main thing is. So again, one compound breaks down into 2 or more parts. For example, magnesium carbonate. When magnesium carbonate breaks down, is heated, is decomposed, it produces magnesium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. If I take potassium chloride breaks down into potassium and chlorine gas. Notice the difference. The more complicated it is, the more likely it is to produce compounds, MgO, CO2. KCl is pretty simple, so it's going to produce potassium and chlorine. Notice again, that's called a diatomic element. That's right, I know you said it with me. So, simpler things are going to break down. Could I ever break down an element? Good. I'm glad you said no, because elements are the smallest unit that a substance can exist. So could I have a decomposition that was just, potassium breaks down into other stuff? No. The element is going to be the smallest thing that a decomposition reaction will break down into.